subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Possible with Prakhya. I'm Prakhya and today I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer. I already showed you how to make hand sanitizer in the previous video, but this time I'm showing again. This is another method. So for this method, you need the ingredients for this method is a container, eucalyptus oil, rubbing alcohol, aloe vera, bowl, a small glass, a tablespoon and a spoon. So let's begin. So for the first step, you need to extract all the aloe vera. I'm going to extract the aloe vera by myself. You can also buy the gel from outside. And what you should do is pour the gel into the bowl. Now I'm going to mix the aloe vera gel nicely. Crush the aloe vera. I mixed it nicely. So I'm going to pour the aloe vera gel into the container. If you take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, you should take 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. Like that. If you take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, you should take 4 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. So I'm going to pour it inside. I'm using 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and I'm going to pour it into the container. Rubbing alcohol is very dangerous, so I'm wearing a mask for precaution. Two tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. Now I'm taking some eucalyptus oil. I'm taking 2-3 drops of eucalyptus oil to get pleasant smell. Also, eucalyptus oil also has few health benefits. So I poured 2 drops of eucalyptus oil and just I made a small quantity, but you can make a large quantity too. So I gave it a nice shake and now I'm just going to try it. And it actually works. It has a really nice smell too. Always keep 1 bottle of this with you when you're going outside, especially in this Covid-19 outbreak.